Hello everyone, my name is Ashutosh. Today is the 7th January and my video topic is cricket should be national game of India. When in India lots of game are playing in every state and every village, and the variety of the games are situated in a area. Some is some are national, but they playing in a Olympic. But some game are not playing in a national stage, international stage. The lots of variety of the games, but all of the that cricket should be more popular as compared to the others. When Britisher come to the India, when cricket will be playing, and they saw the game, they also India playing the cricket. India in India the cricket will be more famous in to winning the World Cup in 1983. Before that, the hockey is more popular as compared to the cricket, and our hockey is the main national game, game of the national sport of the our country. Today discuss about the cricket should be national game. Cricket should made a national game of India or not. First one point is discuss the popularity. Cricket will be more popular as compared to the other game. There lots of lots of famous cricketers will be produced, and they lots of famous cricketers will be produced, and the cricket should be played. Every state and every village to the in India. That's why they are more famous, and also achievement in a cricket. The lots of achievement will be discovered to winning the World Cup, and also in the number one team of the compared to the other teams, and winning the World Cup, and also the ranking will be also more as compared to the other country. And third point is revenue. The cricket will be develop more revenue as compared to the others, and they to watching the cricket to all of our country, and that's and this integrated to all in a one place, That's why the revenue will be reduced, and also lot of league also introduced, and that's why the revenue will be more generated to the country. This is lots of positive thing will be cricket will be produced. Lots of positive thing will be this is lots of positive thing of cricket. To discuss about the negative points, to ignore the other sport. When cricket should be more popular to the popular should be as compared to the other program. That's why they ignore the other sport of our country, other sport of our country. That's why they are not that's why they are not achieve more as compared to cricket, because the sponsorship will be not followed by the other sports, and they also not followed by other sponsorship are not generated by the other sport. That's why revenue will be more less, and that's why the sports person are not achieved is more as compared to the cricket, because money will be less as compared to cricket. That's why they not achieve something is more in other sports, and they are not developed the revenue, and they are not greatness will be achieve. My opinion is in India, lots of game will be placed. But they not focus on one game, focus to the other games all over the game, and decide which game will be best, and they achieve is the more, and that decide the which game will be our national game of the India. These are all discuss about the today's topic. Thank you.